At Raytheon, innovators and difference makers solve complex problems to deliver for all of those who defend all of us. When you join our team, you help build on more than 100 years of professional experience and renowned engineering expertise to meet the needs of today's mission and stay ahead of tomorrow's threat.
Welcome to McKinney, Texas, home of Raytheon's Consolidated Manufacturing Center.
For Raytheon, we build cutting-edge technology that's innovative.
We build all the systems that our warfighter could need to go solve the mission.
We protect the warfighter, but what we really do is protect the country.
Inside these walls, we innovate. From electro-optical and infrared technologies to RF systems, we deliver complex systems to a diverse customer base.
Innovation at Raytheon, I think, is constantly looking to make our products better so that we can help support our warfighter, especially when changes are happening in our world every day.
Raytheon absolutely has a culture of innovation. We have several teams all over the globe. And what they bring is their expertise in their given areas, whether it's engineering, supply chain, contracts, quality, or even program management, but they work collectively together as a team to accomplish that one goal.
The McKinney facility is home to a large portfolio of defense programs and capabilities. Inside these walls, we inspire today's difference makers.
I've come from a military family. It hits home for me knowing that the systems that we provide here in McKinney are going on to save our warfighters and help them achieve their mission.
This company does inspire difference makers. It makes me feel amazing to know that I support the warfighter, and I wouldn't be here without them.
It's definitely something that I never thought that I would be involved in, but getting to know that we help save lives and support our warfighters has been an experience beyond anything I ever thought.
We grow tomorrow's leaders.
Raytheon does inspire new engineers, new folks that are working on the floor to take on leadership roles. And they offer the opportunity to do that. Raytheon has given me endless opportunities to grow my career. I was a member of our leadership development program where I got to rotate across all of our business units over the course of 2 years, really just seeing all of the different businesses and technology that we bring as a company. When you come in, you get to see that you're given a lot of room to grow.
We have managers that will support you so you could actually obtain those goals, those 1 to 3 year goals, those 5-year goals in order to get where you really want to get to in your career development.
I grew up in Chicago, and coming down to the South, Southern hospitality is very much a real thing.
There's festivals every weekend, I feel like, in this area, and it comes with a lot of eating, but a lot of joy.
There's all sorts of things to do around here, and it's really for every age. There's incredible schools. It's just a really welcoming environment to raise your family.
At Raytheon, our difference is our people.
Raytheon's #1 commodity is our people.
I definitely think that the people make the difference here. It's the people that bring ideas. It's the people that work through problems.
Without our people, we can't accomplish the products and services that we signed up to for our customer. So we respect and put our people first.
What difference will you make? Explore your next career at Raytheon in McKinney, Texas at careers.rtx.com/Raytheon.